So I'm going to show you how you can record the screen on your ViewSonic board using the myViewBoard 3.0 software. So I took some screenshots here, so you're going to see that the first thing that you have to do is you're going to come down here and you're going to select that camera icon. So you've got the camera icon, and then you want to use this. This is the screen recorder option. These over here are just if you want to capture the screen. So it's got the little camera capture icon there, but you don't want these, you want that one. And then when you click on this, you're going to get this screen right here, and there's a little skinny snowman menu right here. And it is important that you click that skinny snowman menu if you want audio. If you want audio, you need to do that, but you need to plug in a microphone. So I have my microphone plugged in, and you have other resolution. You can change the resolution here. I just kept it at the current screen resolution. There is a timer. If you want the timer a little longer, you can set it longer. I just kept it at 3 seconds. And so it is recording. This IFP number right here is your ViewSonic board number, and that should be your main screen. If it doesn't say IFP, then it's not your ViewSonic board. You don't have your board hooked up correctly, so please reach out to me. And then I need to check the microphone. The default is the microphone is off, so you need to make sure that you do that. Once you start recording, you click record, yay, and then it's going to do a 3-second timer. You're going to go through your stuff and present, and and then this icon is going to show up right here. So now you can see that I'm recording. I can pause my recording. So if I go to select, I can pause the recording right here. So I could pause the recording right here. If I want to stop the recording, I do the red button. So if you're going to pause and ask questions of your students, you can do that and then resume it. Just make sure that you resume the recording, obviously. When I click the red button to stop, what it's going to do is it's going to preview the video so you can watch. I didn't check to see if I could edit it. I'll probably download it and bring it into my personal editing software. Then you're going to click on the floppy disk icon, and that will save. You have the option to save to your computer. So if you want to save it in your downloads, or if you want to save it, to your H drive, which I haven't used my H drive in years, or if you are signed in. Ooh, good point. You have to be signed in. So notice I have my icon here. If you just see an outline of something and you're not sure if you're signed in, just click on that icon, and then you should see. Whoop. So I see Tech with Sarah, so I know that is me. I am signed in. If you do not see your name and it just there's nothing there, click on the big blue sign in button. Big blue sign in button. You're going to sign in with Google. It's going to pop you out to a website, the myViewBoard website, and there you're going to sign in with Google. Come back to your myViewBoard, and you should see, when you click on again, you should see that you are signed in. So make sure you do that first. Sorry. And then so you're going to preview, save, and then you can save to computer, or you can save to your Google Drive. If you do not see your Google Drive, please reach out to me, because I wonder if I could switch to this. So here's my ViewBoard. So I'm going to sign in. So I'm already signed in. If you don't see your Google Drive, you need to go to myViewBoard, and you need to go to App and Cloud Integration right here. And at the very top is Google Drive. So you need to see that little paper clip. you need to bind your Google Drive. So your paperclip should be blue. If your paperclip is grayed out, you need to click it, probably make you sign in with Google Drive again, and you are good to go. All right, so I'm going to stop this recording and get it out to you guys.